Hey guys, welcome to today is Sunday. Happy Sunday guys. I just got back from church and I'm about to make chicken sauce. Chicken sauce. So I've started cutting the cuttables, like the carrots, green beans. I've not started cutting carrot though. It's just green beans. I think that long green thing that is in strand, I think it's the green beans. So I started cutting the green beans. I'm yet to cut the carrot and other things. So just stay glued, stay with me. Let's make this Sunday amazing rice together. So so let's start from somewhere. I need to get this my tripod stand, my one and only tripod stand. So let's start. Let's make this together. I don't even know what I'm looking like with this hairnet, but what the same, I think it looks beautiful and presentable as well. So let me start. Let me set the camera. I mean, this island is so packed. Like everything is just on this island. Just trying to clear the place and see how it goes. I'm almost done. I forgot to carry you guys along, but I'm not like done, but I'm almost done. So let me just set the camera and show you how far I've gone. See, vlogging is not for the faint-hearted. I totally forgot. I forgot that my camera was supposed to be on, so I turned it off at some point because I'm scared of. Though I still have a lot of space in my phone, but I don't want to risk it. So that's the thing. So let me take you guys along. I am halfway done, so let me take you guys along. I'm also using I'm using egg to make the chicken sauce. So I just have one leftover egg. I want to throw it in there. But if you're allergic to taking eggs or you don't like eggs, you can skip. But for me, my stomach is lactose intolerant, so some of these whole stuffs like milk, eggs, I just, when I take them or when I consume them, I tend to have bloated tummy. But as it stands now, I'm not the only one at home, so even if I don't take the egg, someone else will. But the point is, you can also use cooked egg to make your chicken sauce. So I'm halfway done. Let me take you guys along with me. Half end. Well, the aroma is out of this world, and I believe and I know that's how the taste is as well. So let me just set the camera and show you guys how far I've gone. So this is the egg. The egg is cooking. The egg is here. And the whole mixture here. Chicken thickener. I'll add it. So this is picture of the corn flour. test is so good. Wow, let me show you what these bones. I like my chicken. Like when I'm cooking chicken, yeah. Just eat your flesh. Don't make the bone fat. I like bone. Like I like my bone. Oh my god. Oh my god. This food is so sweet. Very tasty. Guys, so that's all for this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. What is your thickener when you want to make curry sauce or chicken sauce? What is your thickener? Which thickener do you use? You know there are different thickeners for this recipe. So which thickener did you use? And which thickener do you usually would you recommend? If I chew my tongue, which recipe would you recommend? And basically, do you actually like the recipe? Is it something you want to try over and over again? So that's all for this video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share, and let me enjoy my food. I'll get back to you guys soon in a jiffy.